Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns Ball. Chiba 1. I'm joined by Nganyiso.
From Greater Springs. Nganyiso from Greater Bafethu la sikuyifight ukuthi sifuna i-status too. We don't mind the league idlala la ePitori which means iPirates ukuthi yena yenzani. Just today into besoyenza besizokwehlisa uzake teams imshonisa phansi. Ubuyela abanikazi babo iposition. And then anyway bafethu kunabantwana abangaze babona iPirates win league. But I don't think Pirates gonna win league this year. Yeah, angeke ithathe. And even next year ileague isaze ithathe. Wasiyothenga shop when scout ama-player asithathe ama-player noma imaphi. And then if ufuna ukuwina ileague la eSouth Africa you have to spend more money. Awuyini ngabuthuma. Hayi nakuwina ngabombuthuma. Nabo mahoma. Number 2 la esquadini kubafana bafana. Ucoach wesquad akayekela ukunyatha ama-player ethu. We need runners, we need launch. You understand? Yes. Yeah, ucoach nje wesquad akayekela ukunyatha ama-player. They must solve these things before siya World Cup. Ulaunch akamlanda esquadini, urunners ambuyise esquadini. Yes. Even Chapala Mrana samdinga esquadini. Yes. And then yes. Otherwise waluza asale khona le America ngasabuyile. Yeah. Yeah, ngoba we are tired of ukuthenza ama-player Masandawana bamthatha uFoster ukuya ku-World Cup. Lo team yaku-relegation. I-team ayidlalela lo muntu relegation. Noma ungalanda i-team kaFoster uthi ayizodlala ne-Sundowns la ePitori singavele sishaya le team le. Sishaya le team le. Anyway Masandawana siyabonga. Let us keep on supporting Sundowns. Mayibuya la support. No Foster! No Foster! No Foster! No Foster!